Hey everyone, this is Sarah from Phoenix Home Remodeling, and you're listening to the Home Remodel Podcast, the show that helps homeowners avoid the common contractor nightmares and get their dream home they have always wanted. We are experts in home remodeling and remodel design. If you are considering a remodel or want to learn more, just Google Phoenix Home Remodeling and you'll see we provide vital tips to avoid the common contractor nightmares. We have another interesting podcast for you today with useful information. Let's jump right in. A guide to laundry room organization systems. Ever feel overwhelmed when you step into your laundry room? Do you long for a space that is orderly and well organized? If so, then this podcast is the answer to your prayers. We'll take you through the steps of creating an efficient laundry room organization system to make your life easier and keep you on track. Laundry room organization does not have to be complicated or time-consuming. There are numerous ways to maximize your space without breaking a sweat, from organizing items by kind to utilizing vertical storage solutions. Plus, with the help of a laundry room contractor, you can quickly construct a functional and efficient system with the correct tips and advice. In this podcast, we'll provide expert guidance on organizing your laundry room from start to end. You'll learn the finest methods for classifying items and creating an efficient system that fits your needs. So get ready to turn your laundry area into an organized paradise. How do you organize a laundry room? It can be challenging to organize a laundry room, but it doesn't have to be. You can make it feel more tidy and productive with the right plan and a few helpful products. Begin by determining what things you need to store in the laundry room. Assess both the most commonly used items and the items that are used less frequently. This will help you decide whether you need shelves, cubbies, drawers, baskets, or other types of storage. Think creatively about using unused vertical space while organizing your laundry room. Wall-mounted baskets and pegboards are excellent for laundry supplies like detergent, cleaning materials, and other small goods to store. Investing in laundry room storage drawers or cabinets will also provide extra storage areas for larger items like laundry bags or baskets. Remember that organization isn't just about having everything neatly stored away, it's also about being able to find what you need when you need it. Labeling containers is essential in developing an orderly system in your laundry room, so don't skip it. Types of laundry rooms organization systems. Your laundry room may be transformed into a more efficient and organized environment with the proper organization system. We'll look at some of the most common forms of systems for laundry room organization below. Shelving units. Shelves units are ideal for keeping laundry necessities that must remain dry, such as detergent and cleaning materials. They are available in several sizes, materials, and colors, allowing you to select something ideal for your environment. Shelves are also excellent for storing folded garments and linens. Hanging rods. Hanging rods, such as dresses or jackets, are excellent for keeping long clothes clean and off the floor. You can also hang items like drying racks, mops, and brooms that need to be kept out of the way but are still conveniently available when needed. Cabinets and drawers. Cabinets and drawers provide plenty of extra storage for a wide range of products, from laundry essentials and cleaning materials to extra linens and towels. Keeping everything neatly hidden away in one location will help keep your laundry room appearing nice and organized. Countertops and folding surfaces. Countertops and folding surfaces allow you to simply go through clothes or fold freshly laundered items without having to do it on the floor or bed. This is especially beneficial if you have a limited amount of dedicated folding clothes area in your laundry room. Factors to consider when choosing laundry room organization systems. Now that you know the many types of laundry room organizing systems, it's time to consider which system best meets your needs. There are a few aspects to consider before making your final decisions. Cost. Cost is an essential factor to consider when it comes to laundry room organization systems. Take a look at your budget and decide how much you're willing to spend before making any decisions. Depending on the system, prices can range from low for basic wall-mounted shelves or hanging rod to higher for custom cabinets and built-in storage alternatives. It is also beneficial to consider the long-term expense of your organization system. While choosing the cheapest option available may be tempting, consider how well-built the system is and whether or not it will survive regular use. Paying extra money upfront can help you save money in the long term by choosing something that will last longer and require less care over time. Style. After deciding your budget, you should consider the type of laundry room organization system you want. Many alternatives are available, from traditional wood shelving to contemporary wall-mounted units. Take some time to discuss this with your laundry room remodeling contractor to get a sense of what's available and what appeals to you the best. While selecting a storage system style, take into consideration the appearance and ambience you desire for the space. Choose something streamlined and elegant if you favor a minimalistic look. If you want something more ornamental or vintage, look for items that complement the other features in your laundry room, such as cabinets or countertops. Remember to consider any particular requirements you may have, such as adjustable shelves or pull-out baskets for quick access. Finally, select a style that complements the existing layout of your laundry room and represents your particular preferences. Finding the appropriate organization system, functional and practical or elegant and eye-catching, will help make your laundry routine more effective and pleasurable. Durability. Durability is a crucial feature when looking for a laundry room organization system. After all, you want your storage solution to last years and withstand daily wear and tear. Go for elements made of durable materials like wood or metal to get the most value for your funds. Avoid purchasing excessively flimsy or easily breakable things, as they will not sustain regular use. It's also crucial to consider how much weight your shelving system can support. If you intend to store heavier items, such as bulky cleaning supplies, ensure the unit is strong enough to support them and confirm the weight limit mentioned on the product packaging. Consider wall-mounted systems or built-in cabinets if you want a more permanent option. They are more secure and require less maintenance than freestanding shelves. Whichever system you choose, be sure it fulfills your needs in terms of style and longevity so that it can serve you well for many years. With the correct organization system, cleaning your laundry room will become second nature. Ease of installation. Establishing a laundry room organization system does not have to be a difficult task. Most systems can be swiftly manufactured and readily installed with the proper equipment and supplies. While shopping, seek products with thorough instructions and essential mounting hardware. That way, you won't have any problems installing the system. When selecting a laundry room organization system, keep installation ease in mind so you can get it up and running quickly. With minimal work and the correct equipment, you'll soon have a friendly and tidy room that will make doing laundry more accessible. Flexibility. When it comes to laundry room organization systems, flexibility is essential. Choosing a system that can be quickly changed and modified as your needs change over time is vital. Look for modular shelving units that may be added to or removed depending on the available space. This way, if you wish to make adjustments in the future, you won't have to buy an entirely new system. Examine how the items in your laundry room are used. If you fold your clothing directly on the countertop, search for a system with movable shelves that can be adjusted up and down as needed. The same is true for hanging clothing. A system with adjustable rods gives you more control over where materials are placed and how much space they take up. Having a versatile and adaptable storage option is essential when it comes to getting the most out of your laundry room. By investing in a versatile system, you can maintain your area tidy and clutter-free no matter what tasks come your way. Whichever system you choose for your laundry room, remember that it should be customized to your specific needs while remaining functional and visually beautiful. You can build an efficient and tidy room that makes washing laundry more accessible than ever before with careful planning and consideration. Tips for implementing laundry room organization systems. Now that you have a clearer understanding of the type of laundry room organization system that will best suit your needs, it's time to start putting it into action. These are some pointers to remember. Maximizing vertical space. Taking advantage of vertical space is one method for maximizing the storage area in a laundry room. Mounting shelves, cabinets, and other storage alternatives to the wall or ceiling can accomplish this. With these extra horizontal tiers, you can keep stuff off the floor and out of the way. For example, if you have many cleaning goods or detergents, you may place a few shelves above your washer and dryer to keep them. Wall-mounted wire baskets or bins are also ideal for storing small goods like sponges and brushes. Consider adding a drying rod if you have the space. This will free up the area on your worktops or tables for other items. Whichever type of organization system you choose for your laundry room, remember that maximizing vertical space is essential for ensuring that everything has its own specific spot. With some imagination and preparation, you can design an efficient and organized laundry area that keeps all your requirements close at hand. Grouping similar items together. Another efficient technique to arrange your laundry room is to place similar items together. This can help you maintain a clutter-free environment and make it easier to locate items when the time comes. Begin by categorizing your things, such as cleaning supplies, laundry detergents, and fabric softeners. When you retrieve something from the shelf or cabinet, it will be easier to find because everything related to that task is organized in one location. Consider labeling each storage option with a specific item or category to make it even easier to find what you need immediately. For example, if you have multiple shelves stocked with various products or supplies, name them so you immediately know which one contains which item. In addition to organizing and labeling your products for organization, consider how much of each product or item you need on hand. Things like bleach, fabric softener sheets, and dryer sheets tend to accumulate over time, so restrict how many of these items are stocked in your laundry room at any moment. This can help you make extra space while keeping your supplies up to date and fresh. Making use of empty wall space. Now that you've mastered the basics of organizing, you should consider how to maximize the space in your laundry room. One of the most effective methods is to use vacant wall space. Whether it's shelves, hooks, or racks, adding storage solutions to your walls is a terrific way to optimize your space while ensuring that everything has a designated position for quick access. Hooks help hang goods like mops and brooms, and other cleaning products that only take up a little space but must be put somewhere safe and out of reach. Shelves are another wonderful alternative for keeping detergents and other supplies, such as fabric softener sheets or dryer balls, which may quickly become misplaced if not organized. Last, consider racks to hang clothes, hangers, or even full-size drying racks as needed. Using empty wall space will assist in maintaining your laundry room tidy while offering quick access to whatever products you need when it's time to do laundry. Installing hooks and hangers. Obtaining the correct organizational tools is essential for a successful laundry room setup. Installing hooks and hangers can quickly and easily keep your items neat and out of the way. Hooks are ideal for hanging small objects like mops, brooms, and other cleaning tools. Hangers can hold garments or even full-size drying racks when necessary. To start, determine how much wall space you have available for hooks and hangers. After you've decided on the dimensions, select the type of hardware that will best fit your needs. You can choose metal, plastic, or wood, depending on how much weight you want to hang on each hook or hanger. Many aesthetic choices are also available in various colors and styles if you want to add a more decorative touch. When installing your hooks and hangers, ensure they're correctly fixed into the wall with suitable screws or anchors so that nothing slips out of place over time. With this one step accomplished, you'll be able to keep all your laundry room stuff organized while using any vacant wall space. By following these simple steps and investing in a flexible and adaptable organization system, you can build an efficient laundry environment that makes tasks much more accessible. Conclusion. Proper laundry room organization is essential to maintain a clean and functional space. With the correct organization system, you can maximize your laundry area, increase productivity, and reduce stress. A well-organized laundry room can make your daily tasks more manageable, from sorting and folding to storing cleaning supplies and accessories. Phoenix Home Remodeling can provide expert assistance if you're looking for professional help in organizing your laundry room. Our team of skilled professionals can help you design and install customized laundry room organization systems that meet your specific needs and preferences. We offer various options, from custom cabinets and shelving to built-in hampers and drying racks. By contacting us at Phoenix Home Remodeling, you can enjoy the benefits of a clean and organized laundry room without the hassle of doing it yourself. We pride ourselves on our exceptional customer service and high-quality workmanship. You can trust us to deliver a laundry room that meets all your needs and exceeds your expectations. All right, that's everything we have for today. Thanks for listening. If you are interested in remodeling, seeing before and afters, or fun design stuff, check out Phoenix Home Remodeling's website. The web address is phxhomeremodeling.com. Again, that is phxhomeremodeling.com. Or you can just type Phoenix Home Remodeling into the search engine. Thanks again for listening to the Phoenix Home Remodeling Podcast. Have a great day.